This is our week 2 meeting, guys. All right, the first thing we're gonna be doing is picking tasks. So if y'all are all in the Discord, go to the presentations channel and then click on, let me pull it up. Oh, somebody messaged me. Um, Go here and then presentations and then click on this, right? So you need access. It does. Wait, I'll open it up real quick then. Yeah, and then if you just click on that link, share, and then everyone with the link. I'll just make y'all editors for now. All right, these are just some things I came up with already. If y'all have an idea of something else we need to add, you can bring it up at any point right now. Yeah, this is just a list. We're gonna try our best to divide people into this, just mostly on the front end now, and then on the back end we'll start doing that later. Um, right now, is there anything that stands out to anybody that they want to do?
I want to do back end.
You want to do back end? Like which part?
Anything really, but like maybe like Google Calendar API.
Okay. I just set up the keys for that yesterday, so I'll let you know about that.
Okay. I don't really care
Um,
though.
okay,
Just
okay.
anything there.
Um, we're gonna come back to this at the end of the meeting, so we can pick that if not. It's gonna be a lot more hands-on. I was just planning on splitting on the groups. If you're in the Zoom, you're gonna be your own group, and I guess it's just you, so figure that out. But basically, we're gonna plan out the whole website on Google Slides before we actually put it um in like React because I feel like that's gonna be a bit easier since a lot of us don't have too much experience. Um, so I guess we'll just divide into groups of two. Um, Me and Anakin will do homepage. Y'all two will do whatever I put second. So two, three, four, five. That work? And then Ishan, you'll be group six. Yeah. We'll just throw them in a group too, I guess. Um, Let me pull up. It looks a bit bad right now because I was going crazy yesterday. But some pages we're definitely gonna need is yeah, obviously the homepage. I'll put we don't need we don't really care about features right now. About yeah. Well, what the so basically when y'all are thinking about this, just try and like think about the overall layout and then some of the text that should be on a screen like this. It doesn't have to be like perfect. Um, we're gonna keep looking at it, so it's fine. Um, what else do we need? Contact. Bro, I need to fix all of this. Holy, I need like a contact page. And if there's a type of page that y'all want, just like go ahead and add it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, wait. Anakin and me will be homepage. I guess you two can be about page. Y'all two can be like a contact page. Oh yeah, wait, this is important. New slide. Let me make a duplicate. This is gonna be like a calendar one. So when y'all are thinking about this, imagine like a user actually wants to like input their entire calendar like by themselves. Um, think about how y'all would do that. I'm imagining like an actual calendar and then like adding different event images or whatever, just like the layout of it. Does that make sense? You could try. Okay. And then what else would we need? Um, Let me look at it. That's not necessary. Right, let me look back here. I know I have a full thing. Let me spell it. I'll just say events page, yeah. Make a duplicate and then like event page. So y'all two would just like think about like if somebody wants to search for an event on campus, what would that look like? It'd probably be like a search bar or like a calendar with different events that are happening like soon or like maybe different organizing like you know what I mean? So like it doesn't have to be insane, just like text, okay? And then just like work on that for like the next 15 minutes. So basically if y'all looking at this front end file right here, there should be a main.jsx and there's this thing called a browser router. That's basically what's gonna let us go through our different pages. So when we go to app.jsx, there's all of these routes. Let's say y'all wanted to add a page called like um slash test or something. Say element is equal to you'd have to first like actually make the page, but we're gonna make it in a second. Well, let's call it template because we actually need like a template one. We would import template from this is just like the same URL right here. So if I like made this copy, paste, and renamed it to template, then I can come here and do dot slash pages slash template, and then and right here I put template. I definitely did something wrong. Templates. And then, oh yeah, that should be good. And then if you were to cd front end install, yeah, I'm going like this. Let's say you open it up and then you go to slash template. Boom, it's here. So that's basically what we're gonna do for each of our pages. And if I show y'all like right here, I have like a bummy nav bar right now, but basically it should be somewhere in here. Let me find it. Oh, yeah. I have like this link that just tells it to go straight to like each, what's it called? URL inside of the website. So you would put something here if y'all wanted a link to like a different page, if that makes sense. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, let's see out of this. And then get that. Let me make sure I'm on the main. Git add, git push, git added templates. What did I do wrong? Oh, I spelled commit with three M's. And then git. Okay, basically, if y'all pull right now, or what I say, make a new branch. I'm gonna pull up the command again, but it should be like git checkout dash B and make a new branch with the name of whatever page you were working on. And wait, first I should probably divide into tasks before I can do that. I'm gonna bring up the list again. Y'all all have access to this doc, right? Sorry, the Zoom thing is actually kind of annoying me. Is there? I'm gonna give y'all like 5 minutes to just read over everything that's has doc. If there's anything y'all want to add, then tell me. Or anything y'all want to work on specifically, let me know. For now, yeah. I mean, you could also like list stuff for backend because it's just like a planning for all of us, basically. What's up? Source. Yeah, yeah. Well, any help? That means yeah, you're in the future and stuff. Okay, so. But one thing, I'm not 100% sure if I'm right on this. When you like do get stuff and you're inside the directory, like I know if you did git add and then like let's say you committed something, right? If you were just in the front end directory, it would like kind of bug out and only add the files you have in that directory. That makes sense. Yeah, you need to see the outage. You need the main app one. You get like all of your changes. But I mean, if you just did something to the front end folder, that would add it. That makes sense. No, I mean, because it's like, what was that? The other one too. I don't know. I didn't do it. So homepage. Yeah, they change your page. New line. About page. Oh, this is cool. This is great stuff. Contact page. But if he's working on this, so I think he'll add that. Oh wait, this is really good stuff. They got good job though. Okay. So that page. Oh wait, this is great. Um, up to like a FAQ page. Cool. Okay, yeah. Is there anything else y'all think we should add? Anything at all? I don't think we're not gonna do pricing for students. What I was saying is like if we're gonna charge anybody, we're gonna charge orgs.
Wait, they're not gonna join it.
Wait, they might. We'll find a way. But yeah. Anything else? See, he understands. Anything else? No? Okay, cool. Is there anything here that y'all want to work on in the front end part? Anybody? Wait, actually, sorry, for the calendar itself, the way we should develop like a little bit more like the like nitty gritty. Yeah. Like settings and like and editing these and yeah, a lot of that. You mean on the like our side, like the front end side, or okay, yeah, for sure, right,
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of hard. Like besides the actual like coding of it, a lot of it is just like it's really I think overrated when it comes to design.
Right, okay. But yeah, I'm about to just like start pointing at people and just saying you're gonna do this.
Oh wait, why don't you explain like
Oh, what each thing
what
is?
each thing
Okay,
is?
well, yeah. If you're gonna, let's say like I put you in charge of the homepage, it's really just gonna be like trying to make this layout in actual React code. But yeah, I'm looking to put my name next to that because I'll just do it. For the login page, I'm okay gonna delete that because you shouldn't need to do anything. It should be straight OAuth, which I'm also gonna do. For a theme update, it would literally just be like making sure each page still looks like the same website. Like if I actually pull it up right now, you'll understand. This is not it. No, none of that. Does anyone want to fix that?
Wait, is this a design like
There'd just be a lot of tailwind and making sure like each line is like.
I was thinking
I don't know.
like
Yeah, yeah. To be fair, if you don't know, I will like you can ask me questions. I'll help you through it.
this isn't necessarily like we just give it to you.
Yeah, like if you have any problems, like come up to me, I'll help you. We'll keep going, I guess. Like you'll do it? Okay.
Or CSS.
Okay. For the calendar page. Yeah, this is looking gonna be the hardest part. So like I feel like at least like 2 to 3 people could be on this. There's a lot of like or like the picture be outside of it, like the branding, I guess, like making sure all the lines the same, almost like making sure it works, making sure like when a user wants to like make an event that also works, and then when okay, like because the way it's gonna have to work is like someone's gonna have to like I don't know, put their mouse over it and like make an event or whatever. And then
Yeah.
once you actually make it on the front end, you then have to push it to the back end.
Okay.
I took question.
It'd just be
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I'm more confused on like,
Or
do
maybe
y'all
like
have
you
like
had to click on it to
like
see
a
more
template of like what all is gonna be on the website?
It's gonna be
How it's gonna like
text
look like how
having, like, a lot of
interact
text
like
in
how
it.
like the user interacts
I think
with
so
it.
would be
Because right now
a bit bigger, so
I'm not gonna lie, I'm
it
kind
would
of
work.
confused on
Yeah.
Oh no, that's
I was
fair.
gonna say,
That's
let's
fair.
The slides is kind of meant to be the
Yeah.
template.
So like that was the point.
Yeah.
This will be like
Yeah.
so like
And
it
so
really
like a
it's like a really rough
Yeah.
layout of like what everything is supposed to
so it's like a calendar and then like an event page. And so you just like
Yeah.
it's kind of just like a
So basically, like what we're trying to do is that, so like if you guys have been on campus, a lot of you guys are freshmen. I think a big problem we've been having is like there isn't a central place for everybody to figure out what's going on. So we're doing that. So essentially, the events page is going to be, I think you explained it from Sam.
Okay, yeah. Like, let's
Right.
say you wanted to see when the next, what's it called?
Like hackathon and career fair.
Yeah, like let's say you like
the
you.
public events page.
Yeah.
Yes,
Not
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so then like different orgs could kind of log in, broadcast whatever event they have, whether it's recurring or not, different details like that. And then the calendar is more for the users to upload their syllabus. It'll connect to Google Calendar. So they'll be able to upload their syllabus.
Does also like add those events to the calendars as well.
Yeah, and this should also sync up to their Google Calendar. So if they decide to add an event on our website, it should also sync up to their Google Calendar, which is arguably the hard part. But
Oh, wait, okay. What part was? Wait, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes a lot more sense.
Wait.
Yeah.
Now that you said that, there is one back end thing that I will let y'all do right now. If any of y'all know Beautiful Soup, it lets you like scrape HTML or like text, right? So I want y'all to work on like some type of algorithm to go through. If I give you like a PDF of my syllabus, just like pick out the dates and stuff like that. So if anyone's interested in that,
Sure.
sure.
Sure. Why not?
Wait, what's your name?
A lot of learn. Saru.
Saruth. What I write? I'll say PDF scraper beautiful soup. And if you need help like trying to like understand the library, just let me know. It was
Yeah.
Saruth? Saruth?
Yeah. Have you used it before?
Yeah, I've used it before.
SU.
Oh wait. SUH? SUH.
There's no A.
Oh my bad.
SU.
RUTH. Oh, okay. I mean you've used it before too, right?
oh wait, yeah, it's like what most of my work was. This
Okay, yeah. It's like really good. It's like there's like a lot of documentation on it too.
Yeah.
So we're trying to use that to scrape just dates and times off syllabuses.
Yeah, that's literally
Yeah.
it.
To upload. Okay, so they upload the syllabuses and then they kind of just done.
Yeah, and like, oh wait, when I was going back to the calendar, the hard part is gonna be like getting the information from the users, and then one, making that look good, and then two, making it, what's it called? Formatted for the back end. Because let's say I make a bunch of events on the front end, right? On the front end calendar. Once I press the button saying like, now ship this to my Google Calendar, right?
Yeah.
You then have to take all that information and then give it in a way to where the Python backend can read it, and then that can also send it straight to like the Google Calendar API. But I haven't looked at the documentation for the API too much yet, so I'll get back to you on how to do that. But just like think about that if that's what you want to do. Um, but does anyone want to do calendar page? Ishan?
Uh, um,
Wait, I'm not like.
actually, yeah, I don't mind, but
Do
if
you
I were to
want to or
pick, if
not?
I were to pick, I would rather do FAQ page.
FAQ page? Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Put you down for that.
It'll probably be easier if we just ask you guys what you want to do.
I'll do Google Calendar.
API?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Harrison.
Harrison.
And I assume we're gonna be doubling up, right?
Yeah, we can double up.
Cause like, is this our whole group? I feel like we have a lot more people than just like.
There are a lot of people just like disappeared. Wait, I know there's like a couple of people who disappeared. There's one person who said they couldn't come.
I texted you that.
Oh, was that you?
I
Oh, my bad.
I did not cancel it.
Well, I think there's a couple more people who just aren't here today.
Okay.
You might wanna like ping everyone.
Oh, just like okay, yeah. I'll like
Next time, like not this time.
wait. Okay, wait. Have I not been seeing my announcements? Like, tell me.
I have it on.
Y'all seen them?
Like that.
Is it like should I like do better announcements
No,
or?
no, no.
Okay, sorry.
We can do good, but like, would it be weird if we had a group chat, or would that be crazy?
Oh wait, nah. We can make a group chat. My bad, yo. Oh, y'all are
I
good.
don't really check Discord like that.
Okay, wait. Type your number, and just keep going around. What part? Okay, wait. Does anyone else?
I'm like,
You can do multiple
is
too.
it okay if we don't know like the
Wait,
content?
it is perfectly fine.
That's-
It is perfectly fine if you do not know. Like I barely know. Like I'm just like I'm able to learn.
Yeah,
That's the
sure, then
expectation.
I'll go DB connection.
Oh, you want to do that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You go to
And I'm gonna put myself there too. Anything else? About page. What's your name? How do I say it? Smirty? Okay.
Or
I mean, I'm down. Because that's completely
Well, I know what you mean.
Digits.
Anybody else? Calendar page.
There's all.
Is it deep? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna start staring at people.
I'll do contact page.
What's that
Page. What's your name?
Richard.
Michelle.
I'll double with Harrison.
Harrison.
Nathan.
On the Google Calendar API. It was Nathan. Okay.
Is the PDF scraper beautiful suit the same thing at the very bottom as well?
Oh, did I put it twice? Oh, yeah, that is literally the exact same thing. My bad. Let me just put it like that. There you go. Anything else?
How hard can you say the self-scraper?
That's a good question.
Oh wait, the syllabus. Like,
I'll be honest, I know nothing about this, so if you want to.
Wait, I wouldn't say it's too hard. Like you could probably one shot this in ChatGPT. It just wouldn't be that good.
oh wait.
What? Like if it was me, I wouldn't like sit there like reading beautiful soup documentation for 3 hours. I would ask ChatGPT, how do I do this?
Like the documentation like that?
Yeah, like I,
Like understand.
I do want to understand it though, so like
what I would do is I would pull ChatGPT. I'm like, how do I do blah 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 blah.
make it explain it to you.
Yeah,
And then do it.
and wait, I can like show you some. I have an example code. Well, not for this, but for scraping something else. I can show you. Like if y'all have questions, let me know.
But the scraper part isn't that bad.
Yeah, what time is it? Okay, we have more time.
Alright, you can add me to that.
This scraper. What's your name? Calvin. Okay, everyone added themselves to the group chat. Okay, cool.
Anything at this point. But like for example, take Instagram. Like you know how log in like
You want me to explain
wait,
it?
yeah,
Okay.
wait, I got it. Wait. Because I was just like looking, but like you know how if you log into Canvas and you start
Did y'all two get on something
and
yet?
you like
Okay, what do you want me to add you to?
like login. It has like Google, sometimes it has like
Event one?
Apple, all that like for example.
It was. I can't remember your name.
So like basically you'd be formatting it.
Leo.
Yes.
Oh, Leo?
and, like,
Okay,
yeah.
damn, I thought I got it wrong. And then it
Basically,
was Mustafa?
And then
Okay.
if you want to.
Wait, y'all both want to be on that or you want to be on?
It could be like continue.
No,
It should be
it's
only
what's
this-
the post?
it's
No, wait, no, like, just being on it right now doesn't mean you're just gonna be the rest of the like however many weeks. We're gonna move around because there's a lot of stuff to do.
But it'll be like one more button, it'll be like.
I'm trying to keep y'all on front end so I can set up the back end and like,
like in front of.
yeah. Oh, is there anything
And then,
else?
like you would just click.
Um,
And then
We have the terms of service page.
I've already logged in.
I think we actually
Ideally,
need
it's
that.
Like
for Google OAuth.
which isn't that bad. It's not like you're paying
What
for
else?
it.
I want someone to make like a nav bar component that we can put on every single page. So like, let's say, oh yeah, but it would be a bit different. It'd be like on the side of the page, and then you click a button and like it would all pop out. Because I don't want that specific nav bar in every single.
Oh yeah, you can decide to.
And then
Do the co-op one?
um yes and no. Cause okay, wait. I like set it up yesterday. I have to give you the keys. I mean, like, I'm saying no. Say no. I'm gonna type my name next to that. Just because it's like a really small thing to set up, and it has like some things that I need to do because I made the account. Um, I can put you on it too.
Wait, it's worth learning.
Yeah.
Even if he just like walks me through it.
Oh, so yeah.
It's just like I'm gonna try and get that done by like the end of the week. So
This like this thing.
wow, like I'll let you know. Is there anything else you want to do?
Like,
So it's basically this. So it's an
Sure.
It says.
You want-
So I didn't wanna go.
I can throw you on terms of service. Literally just making terms of service. I don't know.
What is the term?
Okay, well, when I went to do the Google OAuth, it said that I needed a terms of service page. So I was like, okay, somebody make a terms of service page. Like you need a URL to it. I don't know. You know how like every literally just terms of service.
When you hover over the button.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah.
No, I don't want.
Is there anything else y'all are thinking about?
You can't change the color unless you go to like.
Okay.
Like, I was looking at the ground.
No, obviously, like.
I'm just trying to
Yeah.
Okay, I'm thinking I'll give them like a rundown on like how to make a page. Get everybody to like make a new branch.
Yeah, like, no, this is literally.
But I hit him with like a howdy. Howdy.
Howdy.
Yeah, that was the saddest howdy I've ever done in my life. Basically, y'all saw the template thing, right? One thing I will say, I'm deleting a lot of files that like should not have been here before. If y'all all know how to do a GitHub pull request. Raise your hand if you don't.
It's okay if you don't.
It's fine if you don't. Okay, cool.
Thing we did before was a push, right?
The thing we did before was a
wait, yeah.
push.
So yeah, push is when you take your code, put it up to GitHub. Pull is like requesting to like Dunsey to like, oh, can you implement my changes? And he'll look over it.
Basically, yeah. If you want your thing to be pulled and like basically if you want any of your code to actually be used, try your best to like you don't have to make a new clone of the project every single time you want to do something, but maybe just make a clone of the project every single time you want to do something. Because if like there's like a little thing that's different and it bugs on my PC, I'm low-key not going to merge it. But I'll show y'all how to do a GitHub pull request real quick. Let's say you log in on your computer and you're going to Aggie Agenda and well you should have pushed something first, but you do like new pull request like that, and then you'll go to whatever your shooter is, and then you'll be like create pull request. Let me move this out the way. Create pull request, and I'll be like, wait, why can't I type out? I worked so hard on what is going on? Okay. I worked so hard on this. Let's see, please add it to main. And then you put like create pull request. And then basically I would see it, and then I would like see all things checked. And then I could actually, where do I see it? Files changed.
I just copied it.
Yeah, I'd probably pull up your branch on my computer and then just run it to see if everything was right. All this does is add a virtual environment, so like I wouldn't merge it. But yeah, does that make sense for all y'all? On like how to actually merge your code. Okay. Y'all all remember how to commit? Okay, if you don't, it's in the slides from either the first week or the second week. Do y'all know what that is? Week one, yeah, it was week one. Cool. Do you have any questions? No? Okay, I'm gonna send a message in that group chat. I'm gonna hey, everybody type your name. And then I guess going forward, um, try your best to just like work on your thing. On like whatever task you got given. Yeah.
I was gonna ask,
Yeah.
how do we get it to where, because like everything's kind of being over like written, I guess, by the CSS too.
Oh, let me see.
So like if I try to do anything in here, the tail one, nothing changes because like I guess that CSS file is just applying it to everything.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
So
What are you
like,
trying to change? Wait,
well,
wait,
like
wait. Go back to yours. Wait, shouldn't it just be class? Oh no, it is class name. You're right. I didn't read it. But
because class is regular
oh,
CSS.
no, yeah, you're right. And when you ran it, just nothing happened.
Yeah, well, like I've already like deleted a bunch of stuff, but like nothing happens because
It's
this
stuck.
index CSS is like being used for
Oh,
index HTML.
yeah.
So
Okay,
like everything is
we
like
can look. You delete all that CSS. I'll look at that after. What was I saying before? Yeah, just start working on your project. Our next meeting will probably just be like a work day. And if y'all have problems, I'll walk around and help y'all. And it can help too. Um, don't be too worried about not knowing anything. Like we're here to help y'all learn. We're here to learn together. So yeah, get to work, guys.